Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Janus Henderson for active management. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for Janus Henderson, which is www.janushenderson.com. Once the website loads, locate the navigation menu at the top of the page. Hover over the Investment Solutions tab to reveal the drop-down menu. From the drop-down, click on Active Management. This will take you to a dedicated page that outlines their active management strategies. Scroll down to see the various funds and investment options they offer. Choose an investment strategy that aligns with your financial goals. Click on the specific fund or strategy to learn more details. On the fund page, review the investment objective, performance metrics, and fees. If you're satisfied with your choice, look for the Invest Now button. Click on Invest Now to proceed with the application process. You may be prompted to create an account if you don't already have one. Fill in the required personal information, including your name and email address. Set up a secure password for your new account. Once your account is created, log in using your credentials. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your investment application. Be prepared to provide additional information, such as financial status and risk tolerance. Review all the terms and conditions before finalizing your application. Submit your application once you have confirmed all details are correct. Wait for a confirmation email to verify that your application has been processed. If you have questions during the process, utilize the live chat feature for assistance. Once your account is active, you can monitor your investments through the client portal. Regularly review your investment performance and stay informed about market updates. Make adjustments to your investment strategy as needed based on your financial objectives. Congratulations, you are now connected with Janus Henderson for active management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.